ChuChu Daily Surprise Eggs!
Hi there, my friends!
Hey there, Mr. Harlow!
I'm so happy to see you! Today, we are going to learn about public transportation vehicles.
Yay!
Okay, let's cast our magic spell!
ChuChu! Hi!
Little ones, let's open these colorful eggs, one by one.
Oh, yeah! Let's go!
Let's open the pink egg.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the pink egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's an airplane!
Yay! Airplane!
The airplane can take us to faraway places in a very short time by flying us through the air. Let's open the orange egg next!
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the orange egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a train!
Yay! Train!
The train takes us from place to place using a rail. Let's open the black egg next.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the black egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It is a fairy!
Yay! Fairy!
The ferry can take us and our car across the river.
Wow!
Let's open the green egg next.
Thank you!
Shall we open the green egg?
Open! 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 Surprise!
It's a tram!
Yay! Tram!
We take the tram to get us to the park. Did you kids have fun learning about some public transportation vehicles?
Yes! We learned a lot about public transportation vehicles and their purposes, Mr. Harlow.
Shall we say them all over again?
Airplane! Train! Ferry! Tram!
I'm so happy to hear that! It's getting dark. And it's time to go home. So long, my friends!
Goodbye! We look forward to our next field trip, Mr. Harlow. Bye-bye!
That was a lot of fun!
Yeah! Surprise! Open! Surprise!
Where does the cow live?
The cow lives in the shed.